Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to repot a plant. Some things you'll need: a flower pot, some potting soil, a plant. Some other things you might need: various gardening tools. I don't really know, I haven't actually done anything yet. So the first thing you want to do is get your pot and your potting soil and put a little bit of the potting soil in the pot. It's just perlite. Be right back. Okay, so now that we're back, we want to get our potting soil and put a little bit into the pot. And all I did was put a little bit in the bottom. Next thing you want to do is get your plant. I'm going to put a little bit more to kind of create like a little pit. So I'm just going to do this. And all I've done is created a little pit in the bowl, so the old soil to sit on top of. Then we're going to take this plant and wiggle it free from its pot and make sure the bottom's nice and tight there, and just put it in the pot. Now we're going to fill it the rest of the way with potting soil. And now that your plant is completely in the pot, you can actually put him in his new home, where he's nice and happy because he's got more room to grow. And now your plants can be happy in their new home, in their new pots. Have a good one. Clean up this mess.